Alright, we're starting our first is a 357 test. We're going to do 357 versus cantaloupe. First round is going to be just a standard 158 grain. Second round is going to be the gold dot. And third round is going to be Hornady lever evolution. There you go. 357 versus cantaloupe. I think that last shot was a little bit low, but we'll check it out. Alright, we're gonna do part 2. 357, same order, soup can. I got hit by that. Definitely got hit by that one too. Unreal. Unreal. That was... I got hit with I don't know how much stuff over here. Okay. Awesome. Alright, part 3. We're going to be doing 2 planks of wood about 6 inches apart from each other. We'll see what happens. Same order on ammo. Alright, we'll review that later. Hit all 3. Alright, ball test. We are on part 3 pins up, 3 pins down. Love this one. So let's check those out. I'll show you later. Alright, test number 5, I believe. Oh, counting. But we're going to do the 3 ammos through this nice, I want to say about at least a 2.5 inch dartboard. Had it in the garage for quite a while. I'm going to go triangle pattern, starting at the top, center, going to the left. Actually, I'm going to go left, top, center, and then right. All right, 3 good shots, exactly where I wanted them. We'll check out the damage report later. Alright, now we're going to be trying the, what is that, about, I don't know, about 6 inches of, I got 3 targets, bottom left, normal 357, top center, it's going to be the gold dot, and then that bottom right is going to be the lever. Didn't plan that. Gotta reset now. Alright, part 2 of the paper. We'll see if it stays up for the 3rd shot. It's my 3-shot take. But here we go with gold dot. Alright, it stayed up there enough. We're going to go with the third shot here. Alright, let's check out, see if they were all good. Alright, I'm not sure how much this block is going to take, but I'm going to attempt to hit it 3 times. Standard and then get the gold dot. If there's anything left, or if it's still up there, I'll try with the lever evolution. Leave it at that. I want to check the difference between those two there. Awesome though. Alright, I don't know what part we're on. We're shooting speakers right now. I only got 2, so we're just going to go with Gold Dot and Hornady. See what comes up. I'm going to aim for the center. A little low on this one. The other one's right on. Alright, we'll see what happens with that stuff. Check your damage controls. Alright folks, this is the damage review for the 357 Magnum. Pretty much on the left to right we got 357 being a standard soft point 158 grain. Second is going to be Gold Dot 357 hollow point, and then the third is a Hornady lever evolution 357. I'm going to remove the items as I go to try to keep you in the center of the picture, but for the most part you'll see that the 357 158, mind you, these are awesome shots on these bowling pins. You know, I made a nice little dot, but that's about it. Gold Dot pretty much did the same thing, and the Hornady evolution pretty much the same. So as far as the bowling pin, it's going to take more than one to shatter those puppies, and I plan on doing that today. As far as the wood's concerned, the first one, they all went through, by the way. They all did go through. But, you know, nice hole right there. As far as the 158. Not so much for the Gold Dot. And for the lever evolution, although they both went through. That's the wood. As far as the cans, no question. I mean, this is always the best example, I think. Yeah, we started out with the 158. These are, by the way, went in here, or there's the exit one there. When it went in, it split it pretty good wide open. Stepping up to the Hornet or the Gold Dot, definitely 3/4 open. And on the Hornady lever evolution, not only did it open it, it pretty much butterflied at the top. I didn't touch these cans at all. This is how it came off. The only difference between these three in terms of the obvious destructive nature of it, this particular can for the normal 158, I literally had to find that one about, I'd say that one flew backwards a good 55 yards. So these pretty much fell where they laid, you know, within 5 feet from where I shot them, a good 25 yards away, as far as that was concerned. The paper, I'll have to show you this later. I mean, I did get shots on all of them. I wrapped them with tape. It is at least 5 to 6 inches thick, as you'll see, and neither of them completely exited. So I will be checking that out to see exactly what happened there with those particular bullets, and I'll show you later. As far as the bricks, I'm going to move you up just a little bit, but the brick The left one was the Gold Dot, the right one was the Hornady. Neither one of them went through both sides. They both pierced the first side, made pretty equal size amount hole and damage, hit roughly around the same spot, so it wasn't a weak point on either one. And I checked inside, the bullets were just literally shrapnel, pieces I found. Not even really enough to bring over here and show you, unfortunately. This here was the only piece that I actually found, and this was from the jacketed soft point. I'm sorry, this would have been the Gold Dot, rather, the Gold Dot. So pretty good stuff there. Outside of that, let's move this out the way. We have the speakers that we hit. This was Gold Dot. That was the Hornady Lever Evolution. And I was aiming for right here on both. I just missed that one. Got that roughly about the same. Actually, it's much bigger on the Lever Evolution. The back is the significant damage. You know, nice hole. What's that? A good maybe 2 inches in diameter. On the Lever Evolution, no question, it was still going. It still had a lot of force, a lot of energy. That hole pretty much expanded out. I'm just pressing the foam around. Tremendous damage on the back side of that. And then, last but not least on this particular test, the dartboard. You know, I was aiming for here, here, and here. Hit them all. Pretty good. Difference in the back side, not a whole lot. Obviously these two here, pretty similar in terms of the 150, actually the Lever Evolution here and the 158 grain there, because it's on the flip side. And they, this was the Gold Dot. Actually, looking at it, the Gold Dot made a nice solid 2-inch hole. This was about 1 inch on both. So the Gold Dot on this definitely won that battle. I hope you like the display today, and we'll be doing more of them. So we'll check out the bullets coming out of that paper ream, and that'll be probably in the final review of this particular segment of 357 ammo test. And see you then. Thanks, guys. Hi, just wanted to do a follow-up on the 357 Magnum test on the various ammo. I can't put that entire review on this video. It's got to stay under 15 minutes. So look for the 357 ammo test final review 2012 under another video. Thanks.